It's my Crosman Valiant 22 caliber break barrel rifle with a gold rated suppressor. I got a scope I got from Walmart. It's a trophy scope. Um, Anyways, it's pretty good. I got on clearance for 20 bucks a couple years ago. It's been on a few different rifles, but I like it on this one the best, so I kept it on there. I upgraded the trigger adjustment screw. That's the only thing I've done to the rifle other than use it. I'm shooting the Gamma Red Fire pellets. They're like 15.4 grains. I'm at 25 yards. I'm going to go set the phone down there and see what kind of groups I can get on this very windy day in Petaluma, California, right outside of it. Okay, I got it on the target now. So I'm going to go back 25 yards and shoot a few shots. Probably in here somewhere. See what I can come up with.